Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting exponential problem in which we have to find the value of x and we are given 2 raised to power x equals to 5 raised to power x plus 2. Now divide both sides by 5 raised to power x. We get 2 raised to power x over 5 raised to power x equals to 5 raised to power x plus 2 over 5 raised to power x, and this right hand side can be written as 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 2 over 5 raised to power x. This will cancel out and we get 2 raised to power x over 5 raised to power x equals to 5 raised to power 2 equals to 25. Also, we know a raised to power c over b raised to power c can be written as a by b raised to power c. So 2 raised to power x over 5 raised to power x can be written as 2 by 5 raised to power x, and this is equal to 25. Now take log on both sides. So we get log 2 by 5 raised to power x equals to log 25, and as we know log a raised to power x can be written as x log a. So in our problem x times log 2 by 5 equals to log 25. Now divide both sides by log 2 by 5. We get x log 2 by 5 over log 2 by 5 equals to log 25 over log 2 by 5. This will get cancelled out and we get x equals to log 25 over log 2 by 5. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.